Dr. Bryce Fleming has built his life on educating others about the benefits of healthy living, and he speaks from experience. After spending much of his life battling obesity, he's dedicated the past 20 years to turning things around.
Never look back. You know, I have more energy, I'm focused, I have more fun, I'm calmer, my skin's cleared up, obviously my body shape's changed, and yeah, everything for my life has changed.
He's written a book detailing how he did it, explaining why strict diets and fitness challenges leave many unhappy in the long term.
And a lot of the time people fail with that type of method. So what I do is I really try and get people to create new habits by adding positive things back in first, so that then they can then build from those habits, and then when they're ready, and only when they're ready, they'll start to give up the things that they want to try and give up.
When it comes to exercise, it's about intensity rather than how much time you spend in the gym, while putting down phones and iPads just an hour before bed can make a world of difference.
You're going to help to regulate a lot of your hormones better, get yourself into a better rhythm, you'll probably sleep better, have more energy, think clearer, all those kind of things.
Emma Murphy, NBN News.